Empress, beef on the last piece.
A Jamaican TikTok streamer was shot and killed on Red Hills Road while live streaming on the popular social media app on Monday evening. The deceased was identified as one Babaskeng. In the video, Babaskeng can be seen playing a TikTok match with a fellow streamer when a lone gunman snuck up and behind him and fired several shots in his direction. The victim was shot multiple times in the head and upper body. The shooter was in clad grey pants, a black hoodie and a mask. He escaped the scene on foot. More details to come about this as it's a developing story. Please subscribe to stay tuned for more developments on this story. So, how much this we gone now? 3 of them. First I did Naya Gang. Then I did Bossed, 41 Bossed. And now that brother here. I remember who did make a video, you know. I think of 2 lakhs. I'm not sure, but I think of 2 lakhs he make a video one at a time and he must say, yo, more of them money I got dead cause the thing them what them are go on with, the thing them what them come on the internet I do, what them I do on the internet or them I do half of the internet, and then them I come on the live now where people can see them location, everybody I see them live in a full color. Yeah, say man I go run up on them and do them things because the youth them, the man them now will them made stronger there, you see me? You can see the man happy in the video, you know. You can see him there will have virus with him bridging on the phone. And then the man just run up on him and take him 3 pints and take away himself just like that. You see me? Now run back the video phone so you can see a smile, the man there smile moments before him disaster.
I spent I play music. I am father blink, but I want seller man. You know, you better to pull it up much time and bless by the body though. Yo, my side, on a snipe up this stuff for me there, please. Me I beg on a snipe. Beg on a snipe them my side, please.
Empress, beef on the last piece.
Everybody take with themselves. Everybody except the target get for escape. Everybody take with themselves. Yo, you see how them thing I got people 1 second here, 1 second here not. Even the man on the phone take with himself because he can't believe what him just witnessed to. You see me? No, that him is a witness. If anything for go on, him have to in a court, you know. You see me? Because I did watch that live when it happened. You see it? So people may tell you say, yo, I be a problem I go on, I be a fucker I go on. You see me? In the Jamaican society right now. Especially on this TikTok app. Because this is the 3rd person out dead off of TikTok. I want to know how much more people are going dead off of this before I find out say, yo, something about how Jamaicans use a platform, yeah? Something about it in the right, you see me? Yeah, man. I don't know when last me hear about an American TikToker or a Trinidad TikToker. And one of them TikToker they get shot. Always Jamaican TikToker me I hear about, you see me? And I know say the man them always involved in some little bandul thing, you see me? Who not involved in the badness, involved in the scamming. Them always in some little thing, you see me? Once them have little hype or little clout, before the man them use a clout and little hype, where them have make some legal, honest bread, them use little clout, but them have joined the crime thing, you see me? And that never lasts. Yeah, man, only 2 ways out of that, you know, is either you go rotten in a jail or rotten in the grave, you know, but you still go rotten no matter how you take it, you see me? Yeah, man, people have sense to this thing, man, because that thing is normal, you see me? Yeah, man, don't forget to like and subscribe, man. Remember, subscribe so you can stay tuned as me get more information on the situation, yeah. I'll give you some more updates on it, so I want you to subscribe and stay tuned. Keep coming back for more and more content because we're there for you, you see me? Yeah, man, I want to leave a like and subscribe and help me reach 1,000 subscribers on YouTube quick and fast, yeah, man. But anyways, people, with that out of the way, with the main thing out of the way now, what I like to hear what you have to say about that, you see me? Because personally, I want to hear the feedback of the community on the whole, because I don't just want to hear my opinions alone and just hear that I echo back over and over and over. I want to feel like I cast this on the TikTok. You see me? I want to feel like I cast the uprising of killings on TikTok and social media killings on the whole. Because you find out, say, in Jamaica one of the only places them where influencers, TikTokers, YouTubers, you name it, anything we have to do with online media personality, or journalism or whatever it want to be, Jamaica one of the only places you can lose a life. I do one of them things there, you see me? Yeah man, believe. The thing have to change man, it get wicked and vicious boy, yeah, you see me? Yeah man, so the people them not open up them eyes, you might be the next target to a gunman like that. But at the end of the day, people, I now try drive fear in nobody heart, cause I love Jamaica and Jamaica love me, you see me? So I now try drive no fear in nobody heart. But bros, I try make you know say yo, this a place here, it's not safe right now, you see me? Crime rate a go down. I commend the officers them feet, but there's much work to be done same way. You see me? And until we can definitely see a safe Jamaica, the work can't stop put in, you see me? Yeah man, so we need the officers them to get on the case. If you're a part of the public, if you don't know what I want, you cooperate to the security forces and make this thing happen smoothly, you see me? Yeah man, because you don't know Angel already, you know.
They must either meet a judge or meet their maker.
Anyways, people, that's it for now. It's not really a long video, it's just a short and spicy update just to make you know what's going on the island and keep the Bird Nation informed. So, remember, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe. And with that being said, Bird Nation, stay sharp.